Well, just doing a quick little update. I heard about these guys on Instagram through various people. Checked them out one day, and I seen they had these specialized mounts for GoPros. That being the only camera that I use, I figure why not give it a shot. So went ahead and ordered it, and it just came in today. It has 3 different ways of mounting your GoPro, which looks like just a straight direct magnet mount, one that will pivot 90 degrees, and then some kind of grip. Should be a pretty good game changer for me. You got the claw mount, pivot magnet mount, and direct magnet mount. So, if I didn't mention those correctly, but let's go ahead and get these open. Okay. Sorry about the lighting. It's not the brightest in here, but anyway, inside this case, got sticker. Yes, some discs to if I don't have a metal surface, guess these discs are adhesive on one side, so you could stick that there, and the camera mount itself will mount to this surface right here. There's 1, 2, 3 of them. Obviously is the various devices to secure the camera to the mount. Got this one that will turn 90 degrees. That will be handy. And has this this rubberized surface to kind of protect the magnet as well as the surface it sticks to. Also got the direct magnet mount, again with the rubber disc to protect the magnet. And wow, that's that looks like that's gonna do pretty good. So I mean, oh, if I don't drop it, just holding that thing right there, it's and that's pretty neat. Oh wow, holy cow. Oh my goodness. Wow, those are strong. Those are really, really strong. I'm gonna have to mess with that a little bit so I can get the disc off of there. And here is the claw mount, which I'm really curious on how this will work, and where I can mount it, because I've got a number of grab rails outside the cab where I could definitely mount this to. And it's even nicer does have this little mesh pocket up on this side, and it's even got a pocket to put the camera in. Now I do have a case for my GoPro itself right here. This could be well, obviously this is going to be a little bit of a game changer for me for where I can mount and how I can mount things. So I'm definitely really tempted to try this out. As it being a rain day, this was perfect. So I think I might be able to do some in-cab driving on the way to my job or whatever, and secure this somewhere inside my truck, so I can get a little bit more descriptive and all that other fun stuff that goes along with in-cab talking. But I'll give y'all an update, and I hope these things work good.